Today I'm going to show you how to make this kind of cake called lemon cake in just minutes using charcoal stove. No oven, no worries. Let's go. So as we said, we are making lemon cake. I'm going to start with my sugar. I add in my glue band. So I'm going to mix. It's raining outside. To add in my eggs. 3 eggs. Then whisk. So I'm going to add in my vanilla essence. Then whisk again. I grate in my lemon zest. After I'm going to cut in the middle, then I get the lemon juice. Whisk again. This is the lemon juice. We are adding in lemon juice. We whisk again. We keep whisking everything to combine. We add in our milk, half glass. I add in vegetable oil. So guys, the next thing, we are going to sift our flour with flour in. So guys, where are you watching me from? Which city or country are you watching me from? Comment in the comment section and let me know. I will be replying to each and everyone comment. Next, I add in half tablespoon of salt. I add in baking powder. So let us whisk. Look at this texture. Our butter is really nice. The texture is just incredible. So guys, I'm going to use salt. So I'm going to place the salt into my pot, which I'm going to use to bake. Remember, today we are baking lemon cake, no oven, but just we are going to use charcoal stove. So I'm going to place salt in my cooking pot. So if you don't have salt, you can use sand, but today I've decided to use salt. This is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to place, so I'm going to cover with another pan and preheat for 15 minutes. Next, this is what I'm going to use to bake my cake, my lemon cake. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply some butter so that the cake doesn't stick or burn out. This is butter, guys. Next, I'm going going to sift in some flour like this. I have to make sure it is like this. I'm going to put my butter. Just like that guys. So guys, take a look at it. How is it? So guys, let us cut our cake. Who is ready to see? Me. Guys. Look at our cake. Look at it, guys.
The boom boom. I can't see. Like this.
Would you give it a try? Would you give it a try, guys? So guys, thank you so much for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. See you in the next one on Wednesday 5:45 p.m. East African time. See you.